Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Sakib Tutorial. In this video we are going to demonstrate how to insert a placeholder in text box. So just let's start. So here the form has been loaded. So just go to toolbox and write text and select this text box and drag it onto the form. Copy it and paste it onto the form. Just go to property of first text box. Just write name and change this text forecolor to gray. Similarly, same thing to the text box second. Just go to text and in text section just write email. Go to forecolor and just change this forecolor to gray as well. So just go to enter event of this text box 1 and here we are using if statement. So just write if so this name is the placeholder we are using. So what this code on the second line will do is when you enter the cursor into the text box 1, it will clear out this placeholder name. Here just write text box 1. This black color is for the text you enter in the text box 1. So now just go to the leave event of this text box. Here is the leave event. Here just copy the code from enter event and paste it here. Just clear out the name and write the name here. We do this thing because when you have not entered any text in the text box and when you leave the cursor out, the text box 1 will automatically show this name as placeholder. The same thing to text box, just write email instead of name in each event, leave as well as enter event. So in enter event just copy enter event code of text box 1 and paste it in the event of text box 2. Just change this name to email and just now go to leave event of text box 2 just copy leave event code from text box 1 to text box 2. Just write here email instead of name. Let's now debug this application. No, sorry, just change this black to gray. And this text box 1 to text box 2. Here also changes 1 to 2. Ow. And here in the leave event of text box 1, just changes black to gray. Just now debug this. Just now see the placeholder is working. When you enter into the text box 1, the placeholder disappear. When you enter in text box 1, the text box 2 placeholder appears. So in this way how a placeholder works. So this is a very basic. For example, just write something in it and just write something in text box 2, then your text is been appearing. So when you delete this text and enter into the text box 2, the name will automatically appear. Similarly, when you delete this and enter into the text box 1, your placeholder like of email will appear automatically. So hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Please like and subscribe us, and this is Sakib tutorial signing off.